Hi, yoga buddies. Today we're going to make our legs super strong with a fun and gentle yoga flow. If you like practicing with us, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any new yoga adventures. Ready? Let's begin. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Front knee bent, front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Lie on your back, bend your knees, press your feet into the mat, and gently lift your hips while keeping your head relaxed. Sit with legs lifted in a V shape, arms reaching forward, back straight, core strong and steady. Balance on one leg with the upper leg lifted behind you. One hand supports on the mat, the other reaches up, chest open. Alternate between left and right. Feet slightly wider than hips, bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible, hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Stand with legs wide apart and fold forward with a long spine, letting the head relax downward and hands touching the floor. Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. Now let's slow down together. Place your hands on your belly and take soft, gentle breaths for 30 seconds. Feel your legs calm, your body calm, and your mind calm. You did an amazing job today. Your legs are getting stronger and stronger. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next yoga adventure. Namaste.